got that isolated, we can fix it.
It'll be the emergency magazine.
No, we'll take care of it. We'll see you guys. You know who I'm talking about, right? Stop. You're shooting the ceiling.
Copy, sir.
If you can't keep it on target, you can't shoot that fast. Make sure you're using your sights properly.
Thank you, sir. Gotta learn somehow.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It just kind of pushes back. It's kind of fun. It's really. Okay. Yeah. We don't have that. When you load this cylinder. I personally like to use my fingers to help rotate the cylinder. Load the cylinder. Close it. Make sure it's locked in place. Don't do what Hollywood does and try to flick it. That's with the top and that little part. So just manually close it. Make sure it's locked locked in place, you can either pull the trigger and it'll lock on its own, or you can manually pull the trigger. Okay? Now, the difference with your grip, I'm just going to do it right-handed. The difference with your grip is you put your thumb in front of the cylinder. Either hold it like this, or you use it to and you just rest it. It'll try to reach your thumb. Okay, don't do it. Just to show you the scar on the your thumb at that gap. You're done. Push this forward. As long as this is open, you can point different directions. I know I said earlier because now, if you want to hear that basket, this has a hose, it lines up the same way. Put the tip of that hose in that tiny little groove right there. I know it feels like you're going to I didn't.